big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode.
Hey, I'm Pitmaster X and I'm gonna marry beef ribs and Cheetos. If you want to make these Cheeto ribs yourself, you can find the recipe on pitmasterx.com. Look at these beautiful wagyu ribs. Beautiful, but really almost like baby back ribs. Really thin, like a waist cut of beef, and still there's some beautiful meat in there, so we're gonna use this. It would be such a shame to let this go to waste, but it's fast food style of beef ribs. It's not high quality, high end, luxurious, big layers of meat, so I was thinking, why not treat it to what it is? A waste product turned into something delicious. And that's why I came up with Cheetos. And no, this is not sponsored by Cheetos, so I came up with this entirely on my own. You think it's a good idea? I think it's I
love Cheetos.
This is where you tell me, yes, it's a brilliant idea. First step is getting some mustard on. We gotta have plenty of mustard and make sure to get it everywhere because this is the only thing that's gonna help the Cheetos stick to it. The next step is to put some ground Peña pepper on because you can say a lot of good things about Cheetos, but it doesn't carry any heat. A little extra salt to boost the flavors of the Cheetos, and then it's time for the Cheetos themselves. I already fired up the Napoleon kettle grill to smoke this beautiful cowboy rib roast. Now, of course, if you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Let's get this cowboy rib roast off and put the Cheeto ribs on. Whoa! Look at that! I just want to see if like the ribs are done, and that's how you do it. You just take a pin or a toothpick or whatever and you just start poking, and when it just drops through, like it just falls apart, like it feels like it falls apart, then you know that they are done. And in this case I want to check another thing, and that is the outside still crunchy? And yes, it is. Look amazing. Let's get this off the grill. It is the work of a genius. You gotta admit it, look at it. Oy, 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 oy. Smoke ring, juiciness, and then, ba-da-ba-bom. Cheetos. What's the catchphrase again? Cheetos.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
It ain't easy being cheesy. Oh, we should get a t-shirt like that.
Is this really a good idea? Hey, we can debate for hours. I'm just gonna try it first.
What's going on in my mouth? I seriously needed a moment to think about this, and I'm still thinking about it. It's like,
I don't know what to say. This might be in a good way or a bad way. I don't know. I have no clue what's going on.
of course, the crust tastes like Cheetos. Of course, the beef ribs taste like beef ribs. But the combination of the two is like a whole new thing.
There are like things to like and things that really freak me out. It definitely tastes like cheese. But also, it tastes like Cheetos. What is pretty obvious, of course. I don't know what's going on.
So basically, it tastes like a warm, like cheese fondue.
I don't know, man. Maybe, no, dried Parmesan. You know, you put dried Parmesan on your pasta. Of course, this is a different kind of cheese.
This is good. Why haven't I made this before? You know, and why did I pick ribs that don't have more meat?
But then a difficult question, does this satisfy me? I think it does. I think it does.
It's kind of is. It's creamy, it's rich, It tastes like cheese, but it shouldn't taste like cheese.
No.
It's weird. And this is one of those things that you're gonna either hate
Yeah.
or love.
Yeah.
There's no in between here.
No.
It's not like Doritos on brisket.
No.
Definitely not.
Well, I might like this better than Doritos and brisket. This feels like a better combination.
Yeah? The texture of the crust is way better than Doritos, but the Doritos, they have like, I can't say Mexican style flavor, but it kind of
fits.
is.
It fits better.
It fits better to barbecue. This is more out there. This is more wild. If you're a wild guy and you like wild things, make Cheeto beef ribs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then let us know. Big thank you to our patrons and the YouTube members. Hope to see you guys next time.
Until then.
Go check out the website.
Well, you could, if you want.
Yeah.
But
If you
you
don't
have to.
visit our website, we're not gonna make another video.
What?
I'll never make, if you don't go to my website, I'll never make another video for you in my life. Yes, there I said it.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.